So I know a lot of people say that a salad is a salad, but these right here are three of my favorite type of salads. I've got my creamy Caesar, I've got my Fig-Arugula, and my Spinach-Pear. Three delicious healthy vegan salads, all topped with healthy vegan dressings with no oil and no refined sugar. They're full of flavor, super healthy, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own. Alright, so now I'm going to make the first salad, but I want to tell you that this is the kind of food that I love. It's really simple and easy to make, it's absolutely delicious, and it's super healthy. We're turning that nutrition up 3 or 4 notches. This is the way to go. Now this particular salad is going to use a base of arugula and microgreens. I'm going to add some quinoa, some figs, and some raspberries, and I got this delicious, healthy, vegan, cheesy dressing to go on top. And I've got one more topping I'm going to put on. I'm not going to tell you yet, so stay tuned and you'll see what that is. Let's get started putting this together. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my figs cut up. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with fresh figs, this is what they look like. Now, there are different kind of figs, but these are black figs. Most of the time when we deal with figs, they're already dried and they're like the dried fruit, but these are whole figs and they're delicious and healthy. Let's get them prepped. So I would like to tell you that I love sharing recipes of things like mac and cheese, sausage, bread, cookies, cakes, pies, but this right here is the essence of healthy vegan eating. I have a healthy vegan salad every day, and I'm urging anyone watching that typically doesn't eat salads to make one of these or make them all and write me and tell me how much you love it. It would make my day. Okay, so now we're going to get our fruit on our salad. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. Okay, so I've got my salad just about done. I want to add one special topping. This is my rosemary beet hummus, and it's delicious. If you want to see how to make this delicious hummus, you can tap right here and it will take you to the video to show you how to make this hummus. So I'm going to add some to the top and then a little more dressing, and it's time to taste. Buy your beets organic to avoid the GMOs. Now, for those of you thinking that they're high in oxalates, remember that the oxalates are concentrated in the stems and the leaves, but the bulbs are fine. Okay, now it's time for salad number 2, another one of my favorites. We're going to use a base of spinach, some more microgreens because they're so healthy. We're going to use some pears, pistachios, raisins, and this time we're going to use my roasted garlic and rosemary sauce. Another delicious sauce. Let's get started. So I'm going to cut my pears into thin slices and leave the skin on for extra nutrients. Then I'm going to go with the base of spinach. Now spinach does have oxalates, but most health authorities agree that it's okay to consume about 1 cup to 2 cups per day. Now if you're prone to kidney issues or you have kidney stones, you may want to lessen that amount. But spinach is easily one of my top 5 healthiest foods, so I eat it regularly. Okay, now I'm going to add my dressing. All right, and now for our last salad. But before I get to that, I just want to applaud anyone who's still watching. I realize that a video about salads isn't your typical sexy recipe video. So for those of you who have made it to salad number 3, I commend you. And now let's get to it. I'm going to be making a Caesar salad version 2.0. I say version 2.0 because I've already posted a Caesar salad, but I'm going to up this one a little bit. Typically in a Caesar salad, they add croutons. We're not going to do that though. We're going to add some roasted chickpeas that I roasted earlier, and we're going to use those in place of the croutons. So let's talk about this veggie bacon. For those of you who haven't seen this recipe, I have it in my cooking show videos. You can tap right here and it'll take you to the video to see the recipe for this bacon. It's delicious. We're going to put that in our Caesar salad. And then we're going to put our Caesar dressing, our healthy vegan Caesar dressing over top. And then instead of Parmesan, which is sometimes put on top of a Caesar salad, we're going to use the super healthy hemp seeds to go on top. All right, so let's get started and put this one together. Okay, now what doesn't taste better with veggie bacon on it? I know salads really do, so I'm adding that here. And then I'm going to get my greens nice and prepped to the right size and put some sauce over it. Now I'm going to toss them to get the sauce saturated into the greens really nicely and add my roasted chickpeas here and then the bacon and some hemp seeds, and man, I can't wait to taste this one. All right, so all 3 salads are done. They all look equally delicious. This is the part where I normally would do a taste test, but I've eaten these so many times, I know they're delicious. Take my word for it and make whichever one appeals to you, and you will absolutely love it. I can't wait to get to eating, for me this time, of course. So I've had a lot of people write me and ask me how to find the recipes to the videos to my cooking show, like the one you just watched. If you're having trouble finding a recipe, look below the video and you'll see the word more. Tap on the word more and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more once again and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.